Hello guys, I'm at the special effects studio of Season now.
And this is cool. This is something that I've seen in academic papers like 15 years ago, but right here, using this system in real life, having hands-on experience is fantastic. I'm making a lot of videos, a lot of cool video clips of shots right now with my friends, my expert here. So he has done a lot of stuff with this kind of system and we're new here. So we have filmed a lot of cuts, a lot of shots, and then he's gonna put things together. And he promised me that by the end of my trip or when I came back to Vietnam, I will receive a cool video clip of what I've been acting here. So once I have that, I'll show you guys if you don't like it. In case you don't know about me, I'm actually Duy. I'm from University of Science, a member of Vietnam National University in Ho Chi Minh City. And I'm a researcher and a lecturer, a scientist working in the field of human-computer interaction. And my research interests focus on human-computer interaction, user experience, virtual reality, augmented reality, as well as interactive display, combining with artificial intelligence in order to deliver novel user experience to users, as well as improve user usability in different tasks in their life, making their life better. So today what we're going to talk about is trust in collaborative system supported by computer. So in collaborative system supported by computer, we have computer acting as enabling force in order to allow human to work together. The thing is that in order to design such kind of collaborative system where people work together with a high trust, first we need to understand about how people build trust with each other in their reality, in their normal collaboration without computer. So obviously in our daily communication, in order to build trust, behind the verbal communication between us, we also rely on a lot of non-verbal communication. We rely on the body language of the others. We rely on gaze of the other. Depending on what your counter partner is looking at, what their current attention, what they want to do, what they are planning to do next. But obviously, imagine that if you are happening to be in different places, there would be certain kind of barriers here, and there would be certain kind of troubles for you to effectively perceive those kind of non-verbal communication between you guys. So one of the main challenge in collaborative system supported by computer in order to build trust is how to convey such kind of non-verbal communication between remote user effectively so that they can accurately and precisely perceive the non-verbal communication between each other, which gonna consequently help them perform their task effectively, and based on that, the trust would begin. Obviously, in order to achieve a mutual understanding and agreement on such kind of non-verbal communication, we are talking about something workspace awareness. So workspace awareness is the ability for each person to understand what counter partner is doing in the same workspace. And some of the characteristic of such kind of workspace awareness is that it should be synchronous, which means that each participant can perceive any kind of behaviors or reactions or actions of the counter partner in a timely manner. There shouldn't be any delay, because if there is any delay, then that will affect on the perception, that will affect on the quality of the collaboration. It's reflected on the surrounding environment, as well. So any interaction between the users with their surrounding environment should be clearly reflected on the side of the counter partner. For example, if you are moving some mouses and you are moving some pens, your counter partner should clearly perceive that. And third, workspace awareness is something secondary. It's not primary. because when you are doing some collaborative job, your main task is trying to get the job done. But in order to get the job done effectively, you need to maintain your awareness on any kind of behaviors and activities of your partner. And based on that, you adjust your behavior and activities. You will try to make sure that your activities and your counterpartner activities would work together harmoniously. So because of that, your awareness on the activities of your partner is the secondary task. It's not the primary task. Your primary focus is to get the job done.